of employers to go to productivity.
Over 2,000 SMEs will have an opportunity to explore opportunities in the Democratic Republic of Congo through the ongoing business forum. Leading the private sector delegation, Equity Bank Chief Exec James Mwangi exuded confidence in the mission, citing that intra-Africa trade will only grow if countries embrace regional integration. The 15-day business networking initiative organized by the governments of Kenya and DRC in partnership with Equity Group counterparts in DRC is exploring opportunities that have the potential to unlock trade, tourism and investment opportunities both in DRC and the Great Lakes region.
Today we started the Kenya-DRC trade mission. We brought 253 Kenyan entrepreneurs. They are being hosted by over 2,000 Congolese business people. And the objective is to get Kenyan entrepreneurs to see the opportunity in DRC. The second one is to forge partnerships and collaboration with entrepreneurs of DRC so that we promote joint ventures. DRC is just about to enter the East African community, which will open most of the barriers that exist in trade. We see a possibility of at least 100 entrepreneurs out of the 250.
The Worldwide Fund for Nature has partnered with Naivasha Municipal Board for the construction